to Love on the Plate. Today, I'm going to make you Taiwanese braised pork rice, 卤肉饭.
Taiwanese braised pork rice, 卤肉饭, is everywhere in Taiwan, from street stalls to fancy hotels. Today, I'll show you how to whip it up at home, focusing on the key elements. All you need are 3 ingredients: shallot, garlic, and pork belly, plus seasonings. A few important key elements: meat texture. It needs to be tender, melt in your mouth pork belly with a good chew. A couple important tips: I cut the pork belly into 1/2-inch cube, and keep the pork half frozen when you cut it. It makes the cutting so much easier. When I started cooking in my 20s, I already left Taiwan. I learned a great deal about foreign food cultures, but knew very little about my own cuisine. It wasn't until I had my boys that I started exploring my own roots bite by bite. I made sure my boys taste the authentic Taiwan flavors and grow to love them too.
O pivete é o meu filho, dá troco e fecha o vidro. Doce Bahia, no alto da ladeira.
The perfect mix of braised pork and rice. Each part needs to shine without taking over the whole bowl. Pair with a refreshing side dish. It's a savory delight, so add something fresh and crunchy. Here I pair with a sliced cucumber for rayon. Get ready for a taste of Taiwan in your own kitchen. If you like this video, like and subscribe to Love on a Plate.